Hello students, how are you? Fine, very good. Okay students, today we'll do revision of lesson number 6. This is second vowel as you know. First vowel was A. This is first vowel A. Yesterday I taught you about this vowel and today I'll revise you vowel E. Okay? Okay students, let's do. First of all, you will write date. Today's date 23 April 2021. Okay. Then R W you will write. Clear? Lesson number 6. Sound of E. Which sound? Repeat after me. Sound of E. Clear? Here I have drawn some pictures and you have to write the name of the pictures in the space provided. Okay. See. This is picture of, yes, pen. This is pen. Then you will write P-E-N. P-E-N, pen. Clear? P-E-N, pen. This is vowel E and we will write here sound of E sounds. Okay, sorry. Sound of E words. Clear? See. Come to next. This is picture of bell. What? Bell. Spelling of bell is B-E-double-L. Okay? B-E-double-L. Clear? B-E-double-L. Bell. Now next, this is, yes, man. This is man. Write M-E-N. M-E-N, man. Clear? Now next, this is cat and cat is a pet animal. Okay? Here we will write P-E T. P-E-T, pet. Now next, this is 10. 10, you know, 10, 10. T-E-N. T-E-N, 10. Next, this is leg. L-E-G. L-E-G, leg. Clear na? See. Pen, P-E-N, pen. Bell, B-E-double-L, bell. Man, M-E-N, man. Pet, P-E-T, pet. Ten, T-E-N, ten. Leg, L-E-G, leg. Clear? Okay. Now come to next exercise. Fill in the blanks with vowel E. Here we have to fill these blanks with vowel E to make it meaningful word. Clear? First is N blank T. N E will write. Okay? N-E-T, net. S blank T. S-E-T, set. G blank L. G-E-L, gel. B blank double L. B E double L, bell. P blank N. P E N, pen. R blank T. R E D, red. H blank N. H E N, hen. S blank L L. Double L means S-E-double-L, cell. W blank double L. W-E-double-L, well. Okay? N-E-T, net. S-E-T, set. G-E-L, gel. B-E-double-L, bell. P-E-N, pen. R-E-D red, H-E-N hen, S-E-L-L cell, W-E-L-L well. Okay, clear? Okay, students, clear? So students, this work you have to do in your English notebook. Clear? And handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay? Take care, my dear students. Bye.